Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect ThinkMarkets to TradingView. So let's get straight into it. First, you need to have ThinkMarkets account. Then what you want to do is you go here on the left side where you see this menu. You go here to the platforms and then you will see right here ThinkTrader account. So now right here, you will click to connect ThinkTrader account. And like that, you will be redirected to the TradingView. So right here, if you click open account and like that, you can follow that one like so. Right now, and if you click trade, you will be redirected right over here. And then don't remember me, or you can leave that or check out or check in. Then just press here the connect button, and what you need to do is put your email address and your password, and then just hit login, and we are connected right now from ThinkMarkets to the TradingView. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.